Hi class, let's take a look at this problem. And on the good news, all they want us to do is set up the integral, simplify it as much as we can, but not actually evaluate. And there's a couple of pieces of this problem that you could set up in different directions because we're not given specific instructions. So you're given that you technically have a sphere. So the equation of a sphere, it's going to be x squared plus y squared is equal to, and in this case, it's going to be, well, 5 to the second. So you're going to have the y squared is equal to 25 minus x squared, or y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 25 minus x squared. Now, since we're talking about a sphere, it's only going to be the positive one. So y is equal to the square root of 25 minus x squared. And basically, the region in question here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And technically, we're talking about this being the region of, oh shoot. Let me fix it. This being the region of this sphere that we're going to be revolving. So this is our, let me just label it here, y is equal to the square root of 25 minus x squared. Okay, so the other portion that it's technically a matter of interpretation is this hole that is being drawn. So you could do it along, well, it doesn't mention if it's parallel to the x or the y axis. In this case, I'm just going to put it parallel to the actual x, to the y is equal to 0. So 1, 2, and 3. So we're talking about this is the line of y is equal to 3. So in this case, this is the region that we're actually going to be revolving. The intersections, so in this case, well, you can simply evaluate y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 into x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 to the second. So x squared is equal to 25 minus y squared, or x squared is equal to 25 minus 3 to the second. X squared is equal to 16. So x is equal to plus or minus 4. So that means that this value, it's going to be negative 4 to actually 4. So the actual volume for this one, it's going to be set up by the following integral. So the volume, it's going to be equal to negative 4 to 4. And then your outer function, it's going to be the actual square root of 25 minus x squared. This will be squared minus, and then the lower function is going to be 3. That would be dx. And then I forgot the pi. So we're talking about the values of pi times the integral from negative 4 to 4 of 25 minus x squared minus 9 dx. So we're just talking about that the volume, it's going to be equal to pi integral from negative 4 to 4. And that's going to give us 16 minus x squared dx. And this will be units to the third power. This is it. So for problems that may tend to be messy, or they may take a while for us to set up, I may just ask you to simplify the integral, but don't evaluate. So that would have been your final answer. The only portion that you're actually putting is the units to the third power. And one of the reasons why I may ask you to basically stop here is because if you set it up incorrectly, you may end up with a mess on that portion. So any problem that I'm only asking you for the setup, it'll say directly, basically set up the actual integral, do not evaluate it, just set it up in simplified. So basically in this case, we're stopping at the 16 minus x squared for our function.